So this is gonna be the most random vlog you will ever see on our channel. See, we tried Hostel for the first time and it's been like such a great time. It has its ups and downs, but because we are so busy socializing, we ended up not researching as much or plan our vlogs. So that's why. Welcome to our second vlog from Slovenia. See, this is what I mean. Today, it's all about Bled. I mean, if you haven't heard of this paradise, then seriously, mark on your calendar, October, dedicate October month to Bled because it's stunning. It's cold, but it's stunning. This is our last sunny day today. We are gonna explore as much as we can in and around Bled. The first thing is Vintgar Gorge, which is so popular, and it's a 3 hours or 3 hours hike or just a walk. So we are gonna start with that. Our hostel is quite near to the entrance to that Vintgar Gorge. When I say near, it's like 45 minutes of walk, but that's along the road. But honestly, I can't complain. It's just so beautiful. Like we are surrounded by mountains and we can see like a bit of snow on that far away mountain. Yeah, stunning, stunning landscapes.
And every 500,000 meters you walk, you will see some, road signs that saying that's Vintgar Gorge is that way. So it's very easy, to be honest. Our first encounter with Slovenian cows. They are huge, by the way, and they are when you look at their faces, they are very calm, You don't fear, because it's a huge animal, you still don't fear of them. Okay, so we are finally at the parking of this gorge that we're gonna visit, and looking at the parking price, oh my god, it's €10 for a parking spot. We have seen this insane amount in other parts of Slovenia as well, because we went to Lake Bohinj yesterday, which you will see it later. But oh my god, yeah. And on top of the €10 for the parking, you also pay to enter this hike as well, which is how much, babe?
€10.
€10 per person. Slovenia is expensive.
Not sure why we are wearing a helmet, but looks like we are. We know we look funny. Ah!
Oh. Come on, it's
So there is a lot of hype about this gorge. Even though they are charging €10 for this walk, everyone seems to be opting for it. So I'm very curious to see why they love this gorge so much.
And we are still figuring out why they give us the helmet. So one of the assumption from us was because they charge us €10, that's why they are giving this as a health and safety helmet, I guess. But we will see. I mean, I don't know.
There is like a mist coming out of the river and it's making it so pretty. Wow.
So remember in Montenegro we told you this is the bluest water we have seen?
This is the bluest water we have seen.
Well, that was right, but this is the different kind of bluest water we have seen. Actually, we have seen this in New Zealand, to be honest. A bit of same color. But oh my god, it's so pretty.
I seriously feel so stupid wearing this. I mean, why? Oh, watch out actually.
Oh, that's why.
I think this is the reason.
Did you know Vintgar Gorge is 10,000 years old? Yep, nature's been working its magic here for ages, stretching 1.6 kilometers long and diving up to 250 meters deep. This place is straight out of a fairy tale. But get this, humans only discovered it 130 years ago. Can you imagine how untouched and mysterious it must have been?
I guess that's it for the helmets. Still, there was no need of it. Sagar being Sagar, he loves these sort of places. So we are gonna stay here for a while and gonna enjoy a cup of coffee.
So after our coffee, we are at this viewpoint where you can see the some waterfall, I guess.
New Zealand has spoiled us. We just witnessed a snake. As soon as it heard us, like it started crawling up in the woods.
It wasn't that big, to be honest, but yeah, snake, babe. So we have finished this gorge hike and now we're heading back to that parking spot where we started the hike. And we will find something to eat, to be honest. We're getting hungry.
Okay, so after that long hike, you know what's coming next. We'll find a supermarket, we'll grab some pasta, we'll grab some bread as well, I guess, and we'll eat that because we are budget travelers.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
We met some people from our hostel and apparently they are going swimming. So we are changing our clothes and we're gonna go swimming.
So since yesterday they were talking about jumping into the lake, and I so wanted to do it, but you know, because we vlog, I wasn't sure if we would be able to like match the timing with them. Like we literally bumped into each other, and Shani was like, "Oh, we are going for a swim. Come!" And we changed in 5 minutes, and here we are.
So apparently we are going to that swimming spot where you can swim in this Bled Lake, and this loop that we are doing right now, this walking, we were gonna do it anyway, so we thought after this we're gonna continue walking around the lake. And yeah,
It's like a 3 kilometer around the lake, and you get to see like a beautiful lake and the island from all the angles.
yeah, and apparently you can rent a boat as well.
Yeah.
That's what we saw, and you can go to that island that you see over there as well, which is looking pretty beautiful, to be honest.
But I heard that if you want to get into the church on the island, it's 12 euros. And you see that castle, like even get into the castle, it's 16 or 19. So I don't know, I'll put it somewhere in the description. Euros. So there is no point like us budget travelers to do that.
Yeah,
So we're
and
not gonna go to the island.
actually, we were talking to our hostel friends as well, mates as well. The majority of them, they are not doing it because it's so expensive for them as well. So yeah, it's
But-
not a thing to do castle, I guess.
Yeah, and like just walking around the lake is just so beautiful. Like I would highly recommend to do that, especially on this sunny day. And we'll share these jumping location as well. So I think it is one of the must-do things in Bled if you are coming here, like swim in the lake. Oh, by the way, and if you don't want to do the boat tour to the island, you can actually swim to the island as well.
Oh yeah, actually. Okay, looks like it's gonna be very cold. But
pull down.
I think the longer I'm gonna wait, it's gonna get worse.
okay, here it goes.
Oh, damn!
Oh my god.
Oh my f***ing god! What? This is so cold! I could spend minutes in the cold water.
Not minutes. You were there for half an hour being inside.
What?
Yeah. And okay, this is the major difference between us. I can bear cold outside if I'm not
On
in the
the
water
land.
on the land, and she can bear cold in the water. And as soon as she comes out, She's like shivering. Still shivering.
I mean, jumping in the lake and all, so much fun, but the aftermath. All I need right now is a shot of rum and I'll be sweet as.
Okay, while I'm shivering, let's talk about our hostel. So there are a few hostels in Bled. We chose Bled Hostel 2 because first of all the reviews were great, to be honest, and at the same time they had a balcony as well where, I mean, it was pretty looking hostel, let's say that. And we paid 50 euro per night for both of us. That comes to around 86 New Zealand dollar per night. Which is in our budget, but at the same time we were looking at the Airbnb and booking.com as well for any homestay or something like that, but everything on those websites were above 100 New Zealand dollar per day, like it was 120, 130, so those things were out of questions.
And it's like you are seeing traveling a bit different way. It's like meeting your own kind of community, you know. Like so far it was just us, but then we learned like a lot of different stories about a lot of different travelers. That experience was something, yeah, we didn't know we should have, but glad that we had it.
Now we are coming closer to the civilization.
It's a good walk. I mean, if you are not planning of doing any hike, if you just walk around the lake, it's a very pretty one, and especially with the autumn colors, it made a lot of difference. Slovenia is expensive, but if you can choose like these free activities and cook your own meals or just get some meat or tofu, bread and cheese, I think you can afford it, just like us. Anything on a budget is affordable. You just have to walk around a few things. And this beautiful place can be done in $100 a day.
Okay, so today we are going to Lake Bohinj from Bled. So we're gonna take a bus first, and then there's a hike over there as well. So yeah, we will be doing that as well. It's called Lake Bohinj. Strange name.
I think either we missed the bus or they are very late. So we've been waiting here for like 15-20 minutes for the bus.
That's exaggerated.
That would.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh, come on.
Wait,
12:10.
12.
12:10.
12.
10 to 15 minutes.
Okay, we have another vlogger with us today, Mr.
Yeah.
Shrenik.
Shrenik, how long we are waiting for?
He corrected us 10-15 minutes, guys.
But yeah, it's just so strange. There are so many buses are coming and going, but none of them are going to the Lake Bohinj.
We almost got into this one, but this is also not going to Bohinj. Now we have got another bus. We'll see if that goes. We only have 2 sunny days, but half of today is already gone.
This drive was long, but it was damn beautiful.
First thing first, we're gonna eat something. I'm very hungry. Ami can live without food for a while, but oh my god, I'm so hungry.
We had breakfast in the morning, by the way.
Not enough, babe, not enough.
I don't know. We are with this group, so I guess we are not gonna vlog today, but we'll show you bits and pieces of this beautiful day.